Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detail Detective YouTube channel. And today we're taking the van to my granddad's so we can build the inside of the van. So just to sort of like catch up of what we've done so far. So I've introduced the van, we've cleaned all the back and in here, we've carpeted and insulated the back as well, and then we've put the lining on and the floor in, and then now it's just a case of going and building the shelves and the partition and then getting everything fitted in. So I'm going to time lapse this video, and then towards the end I'll come back and I'll show you sort of like how it was before and how it is now. And like hopefully by the end of this video we'll have all the van kitted out inside, so it's ready to use. So we're doing this over 2 days, so I don't know how much I'll get to time lapse because, well, 2 days is a lot of footage, so I'll try my best. Let's see how we sort of like plan it out. We've got a sort of an idea in our heads, but I guess it could always change as we're sort of like building it and sort of like putting it together. So let's get on the way. It's sort of like a half an hour drive. It's pretty early in the morning, around about 7. Let's go there. I'll start the time lapse now, and then I hope you enjoy this part of the video. We'll see you in 2 days' time after we've built the van out.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Okay, so after 2 days of building the van and getting it how we wanted, so you've just seen the time lapse. Yeah, this van is pretty much ready to go now. Well, as in ready to go, we can use it. We can start doing customers' cars, and yeah, that's what we're gonna start doing. So I know you've seen the time lapse, but what I'll do now is I'll pop a picture on the screen of how it was before this video. So yeah, you can see it's just like got a green floor and green walls, and then a carpeted roof. And then now, what I'll do is, well, we'll do sort of like a transition video of how it was before, and then how it is now. So I'll pop that on screen now. So as you can see, there's a massive transformation, and well, there's quite a few shelves, and everything's pretty much where we want it. There are a few things that we need to move about, but that's just like little tiny bits that we need to do. But overall, it is pretty much ready to go. So in a few videos time, when we've actually finished the van fully, what I will do is I will take you for a full walk around of the van, outside and inside, explain what everything does, and why we put it there. So that'll probably be quite a long video, so I won't really go into that now, because that's what we're planning to do after we've finished it all. So yeah, the van is pretty much ready to use on the inside. This is this video done for this week. So the next video, which will be going live next Wednesday, will be us cleaning the outside of the van, because well, it's pretty dirty, machine polishing, sign writing, and then ceramic coating as well. So I don't know how long that video is going to be. Hopefully sort of like the same length as this, sort of like 10-15 minutes, just so you get an insight of what we've been doing. And then yeah, after that video, the only videos left to do is the full walk around video, and then a full costing video. So in that video we'll run down all the costings that it would have cost, sort of like you guys, just so you sort of like understand how much one of these things costs, because well, it's not the cheapest to sort of like set up, but once it's done right, yeah, I guess it can make you some money. I do hope you've been enjoying these videos. It is something that we've been wanting to do for a long time. We were meant to do it on the last van, but yeah, we just never got a chance because we just needed it on the road. So with this one, we've sort of had the chance to sort of slow it down, record all what we can. So yeah, so far it's been well, pretty chaotic with sort of like fitting everything in, but we're managing to do it. So yeah, that's that. So next Wednesday, 6 o'clock, that'll be the next release video of the progress of the van. But also remember that every Sunday we release a product review video. So yeah, do make sure to check those out as well, and do make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get all the notifications when we upload a video. Cheers guys, and I'll see you on the next video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!
Wow.